art friends, today we are going to draw Papel Picado flags.
Yeah, these are Mexican traditional flags used during celebrations. They're really colorful. They're super cool because you cut out little designs in tissue paper, but we're gonna draw them. It's gonna be fun. You ready? Before we start, I want to give you a quick preview of how our flags turned out at the very end. I hope you're excited to follow along with us. Now, for this lesson, we're using markers to color with, and you could use whatever you have. You could use a colored pencil or even a crayon. Because we're using markers, we're also drawing on marker paper. This is my favorite brand. It helps make the markers last much longer, especially when you're coloring a lot and using most of the paper. This will keep your markers from drying out. Let's first use our black marker to draw a string across the top of our paper. And it kind of drew a curve down and then up. Yeah, that's awesome. That's all we're using our black marker for. We can put that off to the side and we can pick any color you want to draw your flag. You can use red, yellow, or blue, or pink, or really any color you want. I'm going to use red. That's what color are you going to use?
Red.
Oh, you have red too. I'll switch. I'll do blue. Let's start by drawing the shape of our flag. I'm going to start here. I'm going to come down, over, and back up. So we got this really cool rectangle shape hanging from our string. Now, the fun part about this too is you don't have to do it exactly like us. You could change the design on your flag, but we'll show you how we're gonna do our designs. I'm gonna draw a skull in the middle of mine. What shape are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do a heart.
Oh, that would be awesome. Okay, and our friends, you guys could do whatever shape. You could do a cactus, you could do a flower. Ooh, a flower would be really cool. You could also do a sun. I'm gonna draw my skull like this, and then I'm gonna draw a U shape here. So there's my main shape. Now inside of your heart, draw a smaller heart that goes around the whole thing too. I'm gonna color mine solid, but first I'm gonna draw some of the details. So I'm gonna draw 2 circles for the eyes. I'm gonna draw an upside down heart for the nose. And then the teeth, I'm going to draw first a line there, and then I'm gonna draw a line down, and draw a line down here and here. Then I'm gonna connect all of my teeth together. So our art friends, you guys can pause the video and take extra time to do your design. Okay, now on yours, color this heart in solid. And I'm gonna color the inside of my skull. Oh, I could also add some other designs. I'm gonna do that before I color it in. So I'm gonna add a little flower design going around the eyes. And maybe one more design right here on the top. Now I'm gonna color it in. Okay, we got that part colored in. Oh, and on yours, if this was cut out, this center heart would fall out of your flag. So you could also add little lines connecting the inside heart. On mine, I'm gonna draw a border around my skull that looks like this. It's gonna be a circle. And then I'm also gonna add those little lines that connect the skull in so it doesn't fall out either when it's cut out. Okay, now for the next part, let's draw 2 lines straight down on each side. And let's add flowers. I'm gonna draw my flowers like this. I'm gonna draw a corner like this, and then I'm gonna draw the petals coming around like that. And on yours, you could draw the petals differently. You could just draw a circle right here, and then just draw a traditional flower petal going all the way around. I'm gonna repeat this flower in each of the corners. While you're doing that, I'm gonna add another detail going around the circle that looks like more petals. You could also add another design where you add a row of circles going across. You could also go up on both sides too if you want. And then while you're doing that, I'm going to start coloring in between all of these shapes. Good job, you did awesome coloring that in. Your design is looking really cool. And I'm sure our friends are looking really cool too. All right, now let's add the border design over here. And I'm going to draw, you could change this, but I'm gonna draw a zigzag pattern coming down. You could do the same thing if you want. And I'm gonna just draw, so we have two big zigzags. Then inside of here, I'm gonna draw another sideways letter V. And then I'll draw one on this one and also on, all the way down. Let's do it in every single triangle shape. So it should look like we have 3 lines going through. And I'm repeating that same step over here. Then in each of these little triangle shapes, I'm gonna draw a flower, another flower shape. So I'm gonna draw a circle and then the petals going around it. Then you can color around the flower in that triangle shape. I'm gonna repeat that up here too in each of these triangles. Then on the outside triangles, I'm gonna add this petal design where we have 3 petals inside, and then you can color these little shapes over here so that the petals are white on the inside. And then you can repeat that in each of the triangles. Now you guys can change the designs any way you want. You can get really creative because these flags come in all different designs and colors. So really have fun by changing and making your flags your own. Now we have one more detail to add. You can add a little design on the outside of your flag. I'm going to draw zigzags. You could draw U-shapes if you want. You could draw them coming all the way down. You could also draw different ones. I'm going to draw a different one down here in the bottom, like letter U's on the very bottom. And I think I'm going to leave these letter U's like that, but these triangles I'm going to color in. And we did it! We finished drawing our, what are these called again?
Papel Picado flags.
Yeah, okay, I'll let you say it. They turned out awesome. I really like how creative you can get and change the designs. I hope our friends really took time to add all kinds of designs. You could add different pictures like we mentioned before. You could do a cactus or a sun. You could make your flowers look way different. You could also draw lots of skulls instead of just one.
Also change the colors.
Yeah, they're usually one solid color, but you could pick whatever color you want to do your flag. You could also cut these out if you want and make them into a real flag and hang it up.
We hope you had fun drawing your Papel Picado flags.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.